What up, y'all? It is your boy, Zach, known as King of all YouTubers here, back for more electrifying videos. Before I begin, take all colors of lightning and all YouTube channels and Hulk smash them all into the subscribe button, because we are writing positive comments each day because PewDiePie NT series after Cupid Quick shuts down PewDiePie NT series February 3rd, 2027. I'll have 980 million subscribers in the future, so without further ado, let's begin this video. In this video, it's going to be something different today. It's going to be in this video. It's not a gameplay video. It's not a gameplay video. It's something way, way different than that. So, what we have is missiles, dynamite, bombs, firework rockets, nuclear bombs, wind, tornadoes, weird crack going through the house, volcanoes, chemicals, and lightning bolts, and black holes, asteroids, laser, some portal, magnetic stuff, and that's a weird thing. Down here, some swirly weather thing, whatever it's called. Monsters like Leviathan, Godzilla, and a weird serpent creature. Octopus, Leviathan, whatever you like to call it. And this shooting mech robot. And we have a stealth bomber, airplane, that's shooting bombs out, UFOs, UFO abductions, balloons, and ground going up, and ground going down once you get rid of the ground, and raindrops, like rain, weather. And then, in this video, I'll be choosing Volcano. In this series, I'm going to be destroying cities in multiple ways. There are a lot of ways you could destroy cities. It's just a game. Most people are like, right, but it's not gameplay. It's hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this series is called 29 Ways to Destroy a City. In this series, I'm picking a volcano. So, let's do it. We'll do the volcano one. Oh, geez. It destroyed it. The whole entire building gone. One. Actually, not just one, like 1 or 2 buildings got destroyed in that area. And these right here is the quantities: 1 to 11, 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 100. And it's talking about like how many fireballs can you actually pick. In this, you can still do 1. Wherever you tap, it will spawn there. Oh yeah, that destroyed it. Well, half of it. Gonna put another one here. Oh boy. Oh! Backfired, but it destroyed the building right next to it. Right closest to the volcano. Which is insane. Oh, dang. Oh, yeah. That pretty much. Wow. And this is part one, by the way. Let's see. Oh, sorry about the Facebook Messenger thing. Was because like, you're good. Who texted you? Was saying, oh, Kim. Yeah, I haven't seen him forever. Was because like, right. Anyways, back to the video. Kim. Can't say your last name, but that's okay. But shouts out to you, Kim, by the way. Wow! As soon as I said that, a meteor crashed down on that building right there. Jeez. How many volcanoes can I put? Let's see. Oh, jeez, man. Holy moly. What if I do 11? That'd be interesting. Oh boy. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad. What if I did 21? Oh boy. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy and chaos. Oh my god. This is crazy. 31? Because I'm gonna do one over here. It's gonna go quicker this time. Very fast. Here we go. Chaos begins. Sorry, I forgot to turn off notifications for my whole YouTube app. But it's like, you're good. You don't need to. Alright. 41? Wait, no. I'm gonna go 71. Make it go faster. But it's like, oh boy. It's gonna be crazy, but it's more than go this one. Wow! But it's like, that was crazy. Look here. Let's see what 100 would do. Oh boy. This is gonna suck. Wow! I want to go this one. Oh, I can skip that. It's just a phone guardian VPN. Most girls are like, yeah, don't trust it. Most girls are saying, like, yeah, I'm not gonna trust it. What was it? Not that one. Oh, it was this one. A random volcano just popped up. Random volcano popped up. Do one more. Want to do one more. Right there. For the finale, I'm gonna do something big and crazy. It's gonna be insane. Come on, Volcano. Come on now. Oh. It almost hit it. Gonna do that one right there. And these are the different custom cities I can do. There's 7 of them. I want to do this one. Yeah, I think right after this is going to be the finale. I believe. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna do it right here. Oh boy. Oh wow, it's still standing. What? That's insane. I'm gonna do another one here. Boy, where's it gonna go? And it fell. I'm going to do another one right here. Oh wow, went into it. Wow. And that is still standing. Holy moly, dude. Where is it gonna go? Oh, that was not a good shot at all. Come on, Volcano. Make yourself useful. That was still a bad shot. What am I going to do with you, man? Come on. Oh, it landed right there. That one fell. I need to do one over here. We're gonna do another one right here. Do 31. This is gonna be insane. Here we go. They're still standing? What the heck, dude? I'm gonna go 61. Oh, wait. What? There it is. Oh, we are at 61. Let's go. 100. Big city. Pop your back, sweetie. It's a ultimate DJ app. Most girls are like, yeah, just don't download it. I don't want. No. With an X. There it is. There it is. Alright. This is gonna be insane. Here we go. Oh boy. Two. Okay, what's this? Bonus. We're gonna go 30 for this. A volcano on a moon. Okay, do you know what's more thing? Do you know what's more insane? If I go to 100, put a volcano here. supposed to like, it's already destroyed. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy this video. Credits in the comments and the outro of this video. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Dumb man, dumb myth, king of all jokes, tech powers, king of all YouTubers, king of all kings, first ever God in this universe, which is me. Not gonna stop. It's the truth. I always say, this is pisses out.